What's up everyone? Thrilled to have you here today. In this new video, 25 divided by 25 which equals 1 and 25 divided by 25 equals 1. Now we have this problem 1 divided by 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division 25 divided by 25 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 25 divided by 25, and we can write this part as 1 over 25 divided by 25. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 25 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 25 which equals 1 over 625, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.